3 weeks of posting, zero engagement. Nobody told you the accounts are shadow banned because Reddit's preferred enforcement is the silent kind. Your posts are visible to you, invisible to everyone else. You only realize after weeks of zero return. Multiple Reddit accounts safe in 2026 is a niche operational problem most growth marketers approach badly. Reddit's detection of sock puppet accounts is uniquely harsh because the platform's culture rejects manipulation. Moderators of major subreddits actively police it, and the admin team has invested heavily in cluster detection over 3 years. If you are running multiple Reddit accounts for legitimate reasons and getting shadow banned, the cause is almost certainly device, IP, or behavioral correlation. All fick 3 things we cover. cloudf.one. Why Reddit shadow bans hit harder than visible bans. The 6 detection layers and the moderator extra layer. The cloudf.one workflow that survives. Section 1. Why shadow bans hit harder. Most platforms tell you when an account is in trouble. You get a warning, a temp restriction, a notification. Reddit's preferred enforcement is the shadow ban. The account continues to function from the user's perspective, but posts and comments are invisible to everyone else. To know more painful than visible. Bans for several reasons. You do not learn the lesson because you do not know there is a lesson. You continue investing time into accounts that produce zero return. You may not catch it until the entire fleet is dead. The Reddit admin team also coordinates with major subreddit moderators who use third-party tools to detect and ban suspected sock puppets at the subreddit level. An account can be admin fine, but moderator banned across the subreddits that matter for your topic. Section 2. Reddit's 6 detection layers. Account level signals. Device fingerprint, IP, ASN, behavioral patterns, the standard stack. Content level signals. Posting patterns, content similarity across accounts, link patterns, voting patterns. Accounts that consistently link to the same domains in similar ways get clustered. Voting graph. If multiple accounts upvote each other's content, that is the textbook sock puppet pattern. Reddit detects this with a vote graph analysis that is one of their most refined detection systems. Jets zero comment and post timing. Accounts that post in similar subreddits at similar times with similar argumentative styles get clustered. Third-party moderator tools. Automod configurations and tools like repost like smooth scan for content reposting and behavioral patterns. Moderators of major subreddits share blacklists across communities. Each subreddit can configure account age minimums, karma minimums, domain blacklists, and shadow ban on detection rules. A brand new account hitting a major sub with a stock pitch is removed instantly by Automod. Section 3. Why VPNs and emulators get you shadow banned faster. VPNs. Reddit aggressively flags VPN ASNs. Accounts created from a VPN IP get shadow banned at creation by some subreddit Automod configurations. Accounts using a VPN intermittently get caught when their IP suddenly jumps. Domain Chiro Melordis, Omod, BlueStacks, Nox Player, and similar are detected through Android Reddit app fingerprinting. Reddit invests less in mobile fingerprinting than TikTok, but the basic emulator detection still fires. Perform the rate, switching accounts on one device. Session cookies, app data, and device fingerprints carry over even after logout. Running multiple accounts on one device is the most common cause of fleet-wide shadow bans. Multi-login or browser anti-detect alone helps for desktop browser Reddit. Does not help for mobile app Reddit, which is increasingly where the engagement happens. Section 4. What works? The Reddit safe workflow. One device per Reddit account. Real mobile carrier IP. Not VPN, not data center. Account aging before posting. Natural behavioral patterns, not coordinated voting. Media Tabi. Galad phones with real Singapore mobile SIMs give you the device and IP layer cleanly. The behavioral discipline is on you. Then Section 5. Step-by-step setup. Step 1. Assign one cloud phone per Reddit account. Permanent mapping. No exceptions. Step 2. Create the account from the assigned device. Install the official Reddit Android app. Register with a fresh email. Start using the account naturally. Avoid registering 10 accounts in the same hour. Spread account creation over days. Step 3. Age the account before posting. Reddit accounts under 30 days old are filtered by many subreddit Automod configurations. Spend the first 30 days using the account like a normal user. Subscribing to subreddits, voting, commenting occasionally, building 100 to 500 karma through low-stakes engagement. Step 4. Build subreddit-specific reputation. Before posting in a subreddit you want to participate in, comment in it for 1 to 2 weeks. Let your username appear in the community before you post anything that could look promotional. Step 5. Avoid coordinated patterns. Never have multiple accounts upvote each other's posts. Never have multiple accounts post the same link in different subreddits. Never have multiple accounts comment on the same post. These are the textbook sock puppet patterns. Reddit's vote graph analysis catches. Step 6. Realistic posting cadence. 1 to 2 posts per week per account with 3 to 5 comments per day. Operators who push 5 posts per day per account look like marketers, not users. Deletion 6. The moderator layer. Look, even if Reddit admins do not catch you, individual subreddit moderators might. For any subreddit where you plan to post frequently, read the rules, lurk for a couple of weeks, follow the community norms. Moderators in active subreddits know their regulars and recognize new account patterns fast. If you are doing legitimate brand or agency work, consider reaching out to moderators directly to disclose your role. Some communities have AMA programs or sponsored thread structures. Operating openly is often safer than trying to blend in undetected. If you suspect you are shadow banned, post in a subreddit, then check the post in an incognito browser without logging in. If the post is invisible to you when not logged in, you are shadow banned. Community tools like the shadow ban subreddit can also check. To Section 7, how cloudf.one fits Reddit workflows. The cloud phones with real Singapore mobile SIMs solve the device fingerprint and the IP layer cleanly. For operators managing 5 to 20 Reddit accounts, agencies running brand presence, research teams, niche persona managers, the typical setup is one cloud phone per account. Whether does Reddit allow multiple accounts? Yes, with restrictions. Reddit explicitly permits multiple accounts for legitimate uses like anonymity for sensitive topics, separation of personal and professional, niche communities. What is prohibited is using multiple accounts to manipulate votes, dodge bans, or coordinate campaigns. The device hygiene is about not getting mistaken for the prohibited type. For the board cover Paris tick the silent. Do not try to revive shadow banned accounts on the same device that triggered the ban. Dormant accounts can be revived, but the device IP relationship still matters. An account that historically logged in from Comcast Boston and now logs in from a Singapore mobile IP looks suspicious to Reddit's continuity checks. Revival should happen gradually with normal usage before any posting. cloudf.one runs real Samsung phones in Singapore on real Singtel, StarHub, and M1 SIMs. Each phone gives a Reddit account a real device fingerprint and a real mobile carrier IP. The device layer is solved structurally. The behavioral discipline is on you. cloudf.one and grab a trial. Code YT30 takes 30% off your first month. Start with 2 phones for 2 test accounts. Age both for 30 days before any posting. Confirm engagement looks real, then scale. The stat link is in the description. If this helped, subscribe. Next video covers multi-LinkedIn for B2B prospecting. Higher value per account, stricter enforcement than Reddit, and the cloud phone workflow that keeps your sales pipeline alive.